In January 1962, responding to the growing threat of unconventional warfare in Southeast Asia, President John F. Kennedy made a decisive move. A new unit was born, forged from the elite underwater demolition teams of the Navy. Their designation, SEALs, an acronym for Sea, Air, and Land. Their mission, as stated in the official documents, was to conduct clandestine, unconventional warfare. Their proving ground would be the deadliest environment on Earth, the Mekong Delta. The gear of the Vietnam SEAL was not a standardized kit, it was a philosophy. Every item was chosen, modified, or acquired to solve a specific problem posed by the jungle. Let's deconstruct this loadout piece by piece. Item 1, the ERDL camouflage. The first problem was visibility. Standard olive green fatigues stood out against the jungle's vibrant backdrop. The solution was the new ERDL camouflage. This advanced leaf pattern was a significant advantage, dissolving the operator silhouette into the dense vegetation during ambushes and reconnaissance missions. Item 2, the boonie hat. The standard M1 helmet was a liability in the jungle. It was too hot, too heavy, and too loud. The pragmatic solution was the boonie hat. Its soft brim provided 360-degree protection from the elements without obstructing the operator's most critical sense, hearing. Item 3, jungle boots. The next problem was water and rot. Standard leather boots would trap water, leading to trench foot. The solution was the jungle boot. Its canvas sides and drainage eyelets were designed not to keep water out, but to let it escape, allowing the foot to dry and function. Item 4, the Stoner 63 LMG. A small SEAL patrol could easily be outnumbered. The solution to overwhelming numbers was overwhelming firepower. The modular Stoner 63 in its belt-fed configuration gave a 6-man team the firepower of a full platoon, a crucial force multiplier for breaking contact. Item 5, the CAR-15 carbine. When maneuverability was paramount, the CAR-15 was the weapon of choice, a shortened version of the M16 with a collapsible stock. Its compact frame made it the ideal tool for navigating the dense jungle or the tight confines of a river patrol boat. Item 6, the MK-22 Hush Puppy. Clandestine operations required absolute stealth. The solution was the sound of silence, the Hush Puppy. This suppressed 9mm pistol using subsonic ammunition was a weapon of surgical precision capable of eliminating a sentry without alerting the entire camp. Item 7, the M1956 LCE. Firefights were intense and ammunition ran out fast. The solution was the belt of fire. SEALs modified the standard M1956 webbing by using multiple canteen pouches. Each pouch could hold 7 M16 magazines, allowing an operator to carry an unprecedented amount of ammunition. Item 8, the KA bar knife. More than just a blade, the 7-inch KA bar was a universal tool. It cleared vegetation, opened ration cans, served as a field expedient pry bar, and in the most desperate moments, it was a final silent argument. Item 9, the M112 C4 block. Descended from the UDT Frogmen, explosives were in their blood. The M112 C4 block was their primary tool of demolition, stable, powerful, and reliable, used to destroy everything from bridges to enemy supply caches. Item 10, the M18 smoke grenade, a curtain in a can. The M18 smoke grenade was a vital tool for communication and survival. It was used to signal extraction helicopters with colored smoke or to create a wall of concealment for a tactical retreat. Item 11, the Rolex Submariner. In an era before digital, a reliable dive watch was a life-saving instrument. Often a private purchase, the Rolex Submariner was favored for its sheer indestructibility and precision, essential for timing underwater demolitions and coordinating ambushes. Item 12, the lensatic compass. In the disorienting, featureless jungle, technology failed. The simple, reliable magnetic compass was a lifeline. The primary tool for navigating through miles of hostile territory on long, silent patrols. Item 13, insect repellent, an unglamorous but non-negotiable piece of gear. In a jungle teeming with malaria, this simple plastic bottle was arguably as important to a SEAL's long-term survival as his rifle. Item 14, green face paint. The final piece of gear was not worn on the belt, but on the face. The iconic green and black camouflage paint transformed the operator, creating a terrifying, non-human appearance that became a psychological weapon in itself. Item 15, the M79 grenade launcher. Problem, entrenched enemies and ambushes. How do you deliver explosive power accurately and instantly? Solution, the M79, nicknamed the Thumper. The single-shot 40mm grenade launcher was a SEAL favorite. It acted as a pocket-sized artillery piece capable of clearing bunkers or breaking an ambush with a single well-aimed shot. Conclusion, this was not a factory-issued kit, it was a philosophy of brutal pragmatism and battlefield adaptation, where every piece of gear was a direct answer to a deadly problem. The DNA of the modern Tier 1 operator was written here. In the mud of the Mekong Delta, subscribe to Historical Armory for more.